Welcome to session number 46. We are talking about what goes on, and here are the vocabulary. So let us start the vocabulary. Obsequious. Obsequious means funeral rites. That is also known as obsequious. Subsequent. Subsequent means coming later or afterwards. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are called subsequent. Sequel. Sequel means if there is a movie and the part 2 will be again prepared for the same audience, for the same kind of story with the same actresses, then it is known as a sequel. So a following event or a literary work, it is a sequel. Sequence. Sequence means proper order. Pecuniary. Pecuniary means pertaining to money. Noxious. Noxious means harmful or poisonous. Imbibe. Imbibe means drink, absorbed or taking, or to cultivate something in you. That is imbibe. Dolor means pain, sorrow or a poetic. Doleful. Doleful means exaggeratedly sorrowful. Cavalcade. Cavalcade means possessions of mounted riders. Now cavalier. Cavalier means offhand or haughty. Cavalry. Cavalry means mounted military division or soldier on horseback. Equestrian means horseman. Equestrienne means horsewoman. Equine. Equine means horse like. Cadaver. Cadaver means corpse. Decadent. Decadent means morally decaying. Decadence means spiritually decline. Chivalry. Chivalry means gallant courtesy to woman. And condolence. Condolence means expressions of sympathy. Now here there is a description and you have to agree whether it is correct or not. Are speeches usually made during obsequiousness? No. Obsequiousness means a funeral kind of things. So you need to be serious during that time. Did Margaret Mitchell write a sequel to Gone with the Wind? Yes. Sequel means one novel and another novel of the same thing but a part 2. Are these numbers is in sequence? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is in sequence. Are speeches usually made during obsequiousness? Yes. During the obsequiousness, the people are giving speech about the person who died. So yes. Do banks often handle the pecuniary details of an estate? Pecuniary means related to money. So yes. Is arsenic a noxious chemical? Arsenic is yes a noxious chemical. Do children sometimes imbibe wisdom from their parents? Yes. If a song is sung in tones of dolor, it is a happy song. Dolor means it is not a happy. So no. Is a doleful countenance a happy one? No. Doleful means mournful. So no. Does a cavalcade contain horses? Yes. Does a cavalier attitude shows a spirit of humility? No. Same thing. Is a cavalry officer usually good horseman? Yes. Would a equestrian statue of General Great show him with or on a horse? Yes. Is equestrian man? Equestrian is a woman. So no. Do human possesses may equine characteristics? No. Is a cadaver alive? Yeah, no. Is an iconoclast likely to consider religious a decadent institutions? Yes. A decadence a desirable quality? No. Is chivalry dead? Yes. Is an appropriate to condole with someone who has suffered a loss through death? Yes. Are condolences appropriate at a wedding ceremony? No. Condolences is given when somebody is having a unhappiness. Obsequious means right, so it is same. Subsequence means preceding, so this is opposite. Subsequence means next and precedings means before, so opposite. Pecuniary means financial or related to money, same. Sequence means order, yes. Noxious, harmful, yes. Imbibe means drink, correct. Dolor means it is a mournful, so opposite. Doleful means merry, no, it is opposite. Cavalier means very harsh, so it is opposite. Cadaver means corpse, same. Decadent means something which is decaying, and resurgent which is coming up, so it is opposite. Chivalry means gallantry to woman, opposite. Condolences or congratulations. Condolences is given when somebody is having an unhappiness, so opposite. Harmful means noxious. A literary work or an event that follows another, it is a sequel. Drink means imbibe. Poetic word for swallow, dollar. Burial ceremony is obsequious. Horseman is equestrian. Horsewoman is equestrienne. Horse-like means equine. Following means subsequent. Relating to money is pecuniary. Exaggerated said means doleful. Proper order means sequence. Parade of mounted riders means cavalcade. Often unmindful to another's feeling is cavalier. A mounted soldier is cavalry. Corpse means cadaver. Morally deteriorating is decadent. Spiritual decay is decadence. So here dent and here it is dents. Dents is coming as spiritual and dent is coming when it is morally. Expression of sympathy is condolence. Gallantry of woman is chivalry. Here there is a statement and the three options are given. You have to pick up the appropriate options. Excessively polite and fawning, obsequious. Noisily troublesome is impecunious. Noisily means obstroparious. Courteous and attentive to woman is chivalrous. Complaining and nagging is quarrelsome. Haughtingly disdainful, supercilious. Gowned corpse-like is cadaverous. High-headed is cavalier. Moral decay means decadence. Expressions of sympathy is condolence. Courtesy to woman is chivalry. Here the root is given, meaning is given, and you have to give the exact example. Sequa, to means follow. So we use the word subsequent. Curer, to complain, querulous. Cilium means eyelid, so supercilious. Super means above, so supervision. Strepo, to make noise, so obstroparious. Picus means cattle, means pecuniary, means related to money. Sable means horse, so chivalry. Cavalius means inferior horse or cavalier. Equus means horse or equine. And cat, to fall, means decadence. So here we are ending the session number 45, and I am going to put the PDF in the description box. You have to download and practice on the PDF itself. And now we are going to session number 47 or maybe 45. So this is the last video of the vocabulary. I hope you enjoy all the videos. You download all the PDF, compile the PDF, work on it, practice on it, and you get a mastery of the vocabulary. Thank you very much. Bye bye.